Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Microsoft Excel. Okay, according to the textbook, discuss Microsoft Excel 2010. However, we are using Microsoft 2016, so you don't have to worry too much because the function is almost the same. Okay, let's get started with lesson 1, page number 1. Okay, I hope that you watch the video of history of Microsoft Excel, and you know that there are several evolution of Microsoft Excel. Okay, so in summary, we can say that Microsoft Excel is a tool for the accountant or for the financial preparer to gather a large amount of data, normally in form of financial data and non-financial data. So what for? They perform. Okay, they perform various calculation, they perform various analysis, and they manipulate the numbers according to their needs. Okay, so this is the most important tool for an accountant. Okay, I remember my experience as a accounts assistant when I worked with the industry last time. So the first question that they asked me is how well or how good you with Microsoft Excel. Okay, yeah, it shows here that Microsoft Excel is one of the most important tools that all the financial preparers should know. Okay, and apart from that, it can also be used as a database program. So you don't have needs, yeah. You don't need to learn Microsoft Access or other database program. You can use Microsoft Excel as a tool for your database. Okay, so what actually database do? Okay, of course, to track large quantity of data, whether you retrieve, manipulate, blah blah blah. Okay, we're going to learn it in next lesson. Okay, in page 2 you can see the what we call that, the development of Excel. Okay, the evolution of Excel. All right, so that's all on page 1 and 2. Now let's explore Microsoft Excel. Okay, so you need to double click blank worksheet. Okay, and as you can see here, there are several command group in home. Okay, home is a command tab. Yeah, there are several command tabs: home, insert, page layout, and so on. And also there are many command groups. Okay, in this command group there are commands, yeah, like cut, copy, paste, wrap, merge, so on. Okay, you can explore this. It's all covered in page 1 and page 2. Okay, page 2, page 2, 3, 4, 5, up until page 7. Okay, so other than that, okay, we have this quick access toolbar. Okay, where you can add more commands. Okay, other than that, okay, we call this as a ribbon. You can hide the ribbon. Okay, and also you can show the ribbon. So how to show the ribbon? Okay, if you click here, you cannot show the ribbon. So what you need to do is don't panic. Okay, especially during the lab test. Okay, in my experience, there was a student. Okay, he or she, I can't remember. Okay, become panic, and okay, we can see how panic he or she was. So it's so simple. Click any of the tabs and then click pin the ribbon. Okay, when you pin the ribbon, okay, it will stay like that. can stay as it used to be. Okay, other than that, this is sheet tabs. Okay, you can insert the sheet. Okay, you can rename the sheet by double click. You can rename it as number one. Okay, other than that, we have the zoom slider. Other, if you if you want to use other tools, you can go to view, and there is zoom to select and zoom according to magnifying that you used to. Okay, don't panic if the thing become too small or too large. Okay, we always have the slider here, and you can go to zoom function ataupun zoom command center here. Zoom command group. Command center is my job. Okay, I cannot move on with my job. Okay, all right, next is the name box. Okay, this is name box. The status bar. Okay, it mentioned it's ready. Okay, the title box. Okay, and okay, the most important thing, this is column, this is row. Okay, this is active cell. Okay, this is active cell. Okay, this, when we put the active cell here, this is J10. Okay, it's difficult if we put here. Okay, Y. Okay, lambat. So you go to you go here, and you know that the active cell is at Y40. Okay, it's very important to know where is your active cell, because when we play with formula next in the next lesson. Okay, all right. You also have a layout selector here. Okay, you can have a look. Layout selector. Okay, I think that's all for lesson number 1 for introduction. Okay, we will continue with page 8 in the next video. Thank you very much.